Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos. But today we're looking at major ice and thunderstorms. But first, looking at our ice forecast, you can see that we're looking at 1+ inches of ice in Wisconsin, Michigan, and Vermont. So make sure to be ready, or your car is gonna start sliding all the way.
Sliding all the way, I need Lucas to bring.
Just make sure to be ready if you're anywhere in the dark green or plus, though. And then going into our severe thunderstorms, today we're just going to be looking at large hail in Oklahoma. But then on Sunday, stuff gets real. We're going to have 80% chance of EF3 plus tornadoes and a 99% chance of a tornado outbreak. And then large hail all throughout here. So just make sure to be ready if you're inside the brown, though. And then Monday, we have pretty much everything on the table, but we can't really pinpoint it throughout the East Coast where hail and tornadoes are likely. And this just doesn't die down, where the storms are going to get really bad again in the central US on Tuesday, April 1st. And then it's gonna get really, really bad, like probably EF4 tornadoes again over here in the Mississippi River area. Quickly looking at the flash flood outlook, you can see that we're only really gonna have a problem with heavy rainfall on Wednesday, where we're gonna have a pretty decent risk of flash flooding around the Mississippi River. But then looking at our snow forecast, you can see that it's going to be really nice north of the ice, where we're going to have all the snow around Lake Superior, especially, and then throughout the Northwest, especially in Northern California. Finally, looking at the radar, you can see that we just have a ton of freezing rain all throughout the North US with some snow and rain throughout. But then you can see that we're going to have some pretty decent storms on Sunday night. I meant morning, actually. And then it gets pretty bad Monday morning throughout here. And then it just keeps on going throughout the East Coast into Tuesday, where it does eventually get off the East Coast Tuesday evening.